Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Miffy, so let's get started. To draw this cute white rabbit, let's first start by drawing her ears. So I'm going to start right here and go up, nice and high, and bring it down. And then right in between, just going to draw a small little curve, and then go ahead and draw another ear. There. So now I have my two rabbit ears. Let's go ahead and draw the head. So I'm just going to come around. That's a pretty basic round head. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back and forth so it's a little bit more even. And about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and bring it in and connect at the bottom. There. So now that I have that, let's bring Miffy to life. So maybe towards around this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw her eyes. So it's just an oval right about here. The eyes are pretty far apart, so I'm going to put one right here, shade it in, and I'm making my eyes just slightly bigger. And I'm going to put another one about right here. There. So now that I have the two eyes in, let's draw her mouth. So right in the center area, let's say, I'm just going to give myself a point so I can make it a little bit more accurate. So I'm just going to come down, say about right here. Give myself 1 point. So using that as my guide, I'm going to go ahead and draw X right through it. And that's my center. So that way it just makes it a little bit easier to see where to put it, to put the mouth. There. Okay, so now that we have that, that's all done. The head's all done. Let's draw the body. So I am going to come down the center about right here, and I'm just going to draw a little collar. And same thing here. Just go up. And then we're going to come down, skip a little bit of space, and about right here, I'm going to start her dress. So we're just going to come down. There's many versions of outfits, but I'm just kind of making it my own, giving it a collar with this dress. So hopefully you like it. And so now that I have the dress in, let's come over here. Just put in a little simple sleeve, bring it in, and then the arms just come in and curve. So same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm approximately the same area. And once again, the little hands. There. And then for the feet, just come down the center, right about here, and draw a straight line down. Then come out about right here, round it off. Give it a little curve right here and connect. So same thing on the other side. There. Aw, so cute, right? Hopefully you think so. And then right in the center, I'm just going to draw this circle for some detail. And then I think there's usually a little X in here, but I'm going to put a heart. Try my best to put a small little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Miffy. I really hope you love how this turned out, and I helped you draw her fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.